Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Insights with Dara. On this channel, we talk about fashion designing, we talk about fashion tips, we talk about lifestyle and beauty. Today, we'll be talking about ways you can make money as a fashion designer. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being part of the family. I love you so much. So let's get down to business. So as I said earlier, we're looking at ways you can make money as a fashion designer. If you are a fashion designer and you are not making money, I tell you this video is for you. So the first way you can make money as a fashion designer, or let's put it as the first step you can take to make money as a fashion designer, is by setting up your social media pages. Yes, you have to set up your social media pages. And if you have a social media handle, you need to be consistent with it. A lot of times, we as designers, you just want to sew and sew and sew. We are so good with sewing, but we only limit ourselves to sewing alone. I tell you, there is much more to do than just sitting and sewing all day. You need a social media page. It is through the social media page that you reach out to a very large audience. People get to know about you. I tell you, it's only people around you. Most people, most fashion designers, it is only people around their location that know they are into sewing. So when you have social media page, it's an avenue for you to reach out to a very large audience, even people that are not within your location. So you need to optimize your social media page. If you have a social media page and you have not been consistent with it, it is time for you to be consistent with it by posting pictures, good and quality pictures and videos. So it is by doing all these things that you bring a large crowd to yourself. And if you are selling any of your designs, you sell them very easily. So you need to optimize your social media page. So secondly, you need to start selling sewing accessories. As a beginner in fashion designing, it is very important. Most bespoke tailors, most times they don't get clients to sew. Will start sleeping. Some people will sleep. Some people won't even open their office for business because they don't have clients. But when you start selling sewing accessory, you have a lot of people come around. Even days when you don't have clothes to sew, you still have something to sell. So it is very important. Start selling sewing accessories. It's another way you can make more money for yourself as a fashion designer. You can start selling threads, different colors of thread. There are threads in different sizes. You have them ranging from small, big, and very large. Like you have some threads that are so big. So you can start even with zips, different colors of zip, different designs of zip, lining, interfacings, etc. These are ways you can make extra income for yourself as a fashion designer. Even when you are not sewing, you have people are coming around. Fashion designers, they need all these things. So it's a way you can make more money as a fashion designer now. So you can also start weaving clothes for people. A lot of times people are always looking for where to weave their clothes. Maybe they don't have the weaving machines yet. So it's a way you can make money, and you have all these things. You can start weaving clothes. I'm talking of inner weaving and outer weaving. You can start weaving clothes for people. When you are less busy, you can do that and make money for yourself. So these are ways. They might look so little, but these are ways you can make money as a fashion designer. Then fourthly, you can go into ready to wear. I tell you, a lot of people are into ready to wear. Doesn't mean you cannot go into it. But you need to know your target audience. You can't just go into ready to wear and just sew what you feel you like. You need to go into something that has a very large market for it. You can go into sewing of gowns like Ankara gowns, sewing of tops, sewing of skirts, kaftans, free wears, boo, even boxers. But you need to know your target audience. You need to know who you are targeting, and you need to reach out to people to ensure they will like your products. So don't just go and buy materials and start sewing them. It is not advisable. I won't advise you to do such. So you need to know what people would buy from you, what people are looking for. So even when you get what people are looking for, maybe for instance you want to sew a boxes, don't just start sewing 30, 40 at once. You have to sew little. You can start by sewing 5. Take good pictures. Try and edit the pictures very well. Put them on your social media pages. When you get people to buy them, then you start making. You make more. So it is not advisable for you to just go to the market, buy material and start sewing. When you have a demand for them, when they pay into your account, you can make what they have requested and sell it out to them. It's another way you can make money as a fashion designer. So you have to sell fabrics. If you are already into sewing accessories, I think what you should add to it is selling of fabrics, ranging from Ankara, chiffon, and even lace materials. By the time you start selling these things, you are making little money by the side. You are not just depending on sewing alone. And even when you don't have clients coming around to sew, you have something to sell and make money. So it is very important you do all these things. They might look so little, but I tell you, you make a lot of money from them. You make enough money for yourself that you'll be able to cater for yourself and even to run your business. So thank you so much. If you find this video very helpful, the like button and also comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end.